How's it going? I wonder if she even knows. I wonder if she has a clue just how much she means to me, or what she does for me. Maybe I could write a song and pour my heart out with every line, just to tell her how precious she is. And I've never had any feelings like this. I've got to tell her what's in my heart. She's got to know for sure. This is a once in a lifetime feeling I could only have with her. And every time that I see her, or by chance get to be with her, my heart starts racing in my chest. I can't catch my breath. Not a minute of the day that goes by that I'm not dreaming about being by your side. I just want us to be together forever and ever, wrapped up in each other's arms. And I wonder if she even knows. I wonder if she has a clue when I tell her how precious she is. And I love you.